It is May 21st, 2024. It's a little after 11 o'clock p.m. This is my Toshiba inverter microwave that has made funny noises from the day that I bought it. Anytime it's on, it makes these weird kind of bumping noises. And I always thought it had something to do with the turntable. I don't know. Bought this back in April of 2023, so I've had it a little over a year. And it's been doused in water because at 10:30 at night, I'm sitting on the couch and I smelled something electrical burning. And here we go. My microwave sitting idle, wasn't even in use. Hadn't been used for, I don't know, since dinner time, which was like 5 or 6 o'clock. Started smoking. Sorry, my motion light keeps turning off. This is a Toshiba microwave. I know, might have to freeze frame and zoom in on that model number. But I bought it in April of last year. It's May 21st, so a little over a year later. And this thing, you know, I normally go to bed 9:30, 10 o'clock at night. I'm not normally up at 10:30, especially on a weeknight, because I'm old. And thank God I was, because if this had been going on while I was in bed, I don't even want to think of what would have happened. Again, May 21st, 2024. This happened at around 10:30 p.m. Thank God I was awake. I will never buy another Toshiba product as long as I live.
No, actually not. Now I want to see when you take it out if it's still doing it like you said, like it carries on even after the microwave is done.
Yeah, the microwave stopped. I think the problem here is it turns too slow. Sometimes I think it goes too slow. Maybe that's why the light has something to do with that.
All right, take it out and let's see if it still does it.
Sometimes.
Yeah. Okay.
I just bought this Toshiba ML-EM35P BS microwave. I have actually returned the first one and gotten a second one and installed that one, and I'm having the same problem. What's going on is I can't set the clock. You'll note that this basically says press the clock timer button once, type in the time, and press the clock timer button again. When I try to do that, I press the clock timer button once, and you see that it says timer, and then I type in a time, so I'll type in 1:23, and then I try to press clock timer again, and nothing happens. I've noticed that now there are other people that are posting the same question, having the same issue, at least 2 other people that have returned these Toshiba microwaves as well, and had the and gotten new ones and had the same problem. The manufacturer just seems to send copies of the instructions and suggest to try it again. And when you call Toshiba support, after you spend 10 minutes giving them all your information, they tell you to return the microwave and exchange it for a new one. Not very helpful. Thanks.
So I just got my Toshiba ML-EM34P BS microwave oven. It says here I should be able to set the clock by hitting the clock button, hitting the time, then hitting the clock button again. On the first clock button hit, it should flash the hour, but I don't get the hours flashing. Press the clock button, it's stuck on the timer. If I enter in time, 9:30, the clock button doesn't work. It's stuck on the timer. And after 1 minute, it's going to clear itself. I don't like this panel. It seems to be, you have to press and release. On the release is when you triggers the button.
Okay, we are going to show you this new microwave. It is a crack up. So over here I have my Alexa Dot. Alexa, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. I listen once I hear the wake word.
Okay, hang on, Alexa. Now I'm gonna open this, pop in the coffee. Alexa, microwave for 1 minute.
1 minute.
It's magic. So it took a while to get this all figured out, how to first off get the app to recognize the microwave, and that's not the Alexa app, and then go into the Alexa and go through its rigmarole to find the device and set it up. But it's all done now, and it's awfully cool. Thank you. Bye.
Alexa, 30 seconds on the microwave. Alexa, stop the microwave.
You want to get that little paper with the instructions that you can
Echo microwave 1 minute 25 seconds.
Microwaving.
This is the new Toshiba Wi-Fi Alexa enabled microwave. Big size, perfect for my house. I need a microwave to microwave stuff I'm waiting to microwave. So we're going to see how this works. Alexa, set microwave for 1 minute. Oh, and it turns on. Ta-da! That is really cool. Alexa, pause microwave. Boom.
Alexa, turn on the microwave for 1 minute.
1 minute.
Alexa, turn off microwave.
Okay.